So today we're gonna learn how to make this steering wheel all worn up, used up, got some dirt on it, make it look nice and pretty. Make it look like this. Tools we're gonna need: Phillips, flathead, pad or no pad, piece of foam, just any kind of foam, don't really matter, knife, 320, and some air. And of course, trim black paint. I know we should use dye, but we're gonna use trim black paint. It'll still do the job 80% better than it looking is right now. First things first, take apart the steering wheel. So obviously you took the steering wheel off, right? Pull out the airbag, and there's torques. Anyway, take the airbag. In most cases it looks great. If it's not, you can restore it fairly easy. Flip your steering wheel, put a rag on it. So these nice plastic pieces won't get scratched. Put it on, take a flathead and gently undo the clips. This whole thing is gonna come out as a piece. Just like that. Next thing you do, you locate these bolts. Not these, but these. There's 3 of them. Take off the whole bezel, leave it alone. We'll get back to it. Also, I forgot to tell you, before we do any kind of sanding and prepping and paint, we need to clean the steering wheel. All of this stuff right here, dirt. It's hard and it's nasty. The car has 98,000 miles, 2013. It's not looking good. All of this stuff is dirt, especially right here and everywhere. So we're gonna need a couple of brushes right here. This one, and this one. And just use your house washing detergent. Fairly easy. So I got some water in it, a little bit. Like I said, up to here you can see, nice and clean, nice and warm. Then you take this, like I said, detergent. Probably do 1 full cup. Honestly, 1 full cup would be killer. But we'll make 2. Want to make it strong, you know? It's gonna be killer, but it is what it is. Mix it up a little bit. Basically, with this cleaning source, you can clean everything. Carpet, plastics, dirt, a lot of stuff. All right, let's do this. Let's start with this wonderful steering wheel, huh? I want to soak it in there for a little bit. It'd be nice to drop the whole steering wheel, but I kind of don't want to. Oh yeah. Keep going. Just soak the steering wheel right now. And I want to show you this spot in particular. It's got dirt on it. Dirt. Watch this. Basically everything's soaked in. everywhere. At this point, steering wheel's pretty much clean. I thought about washing it off here, but I decided to wash it outside. Not really gonna matter. It's not gonna matter a lot, so I'll be back with the clean steering wheel. We'll clean the table. Start the process. So check it out, nice and clean, getting ready to dry. Basically wipe it off real quick, all around, let it dry. This doesn't take long. Blow some air on it. And in a couple of minutes, it'll dry. You want it to be matte like that. You see? Doesn't shine anymore. Give it a couple more minutes, kind of worn up in here, and then nice and clean, ready to be painted. Steering wheel is dry. I was also going to say we're going to need a fan. You'll see what I'm talking about. Our next step is to, it's got a mat right here, we got shine up here, more used up side. Anyway, right now, man, it's looking good. Look at it. It's looking good. So now we're gonna clean up the steering wheel with some greaser, brake cleaner, acetone, you name it. Just use it, use what you got. That stuff works great. Denatured alcohol works just fine. Get some rags, clean up the steering wheel, and then start prepping it with 20 grade sandpaper. I wanted to stop by, basically show you the heavy spots where the scratches. I use a block. Send them out. Just make them smooth. Stuff like this. You see that? Make them smooth. Alright, if you scuffed it up alright, everything should look like that. A lot of stuff on it from weather and everything. A lot of residue. That's okay. Now, you are not going to clean it up with denatured alcohol. Take a rag, take a microfiber rag, and pick it up like that. Basically everything you sanded needs to be rough. If you go with alcohol, you make it smooth again. So we wipe it down, the whole steering wheel, nice and smooth. And after that, if you see this, that means you did good. Blow it up a little bit. Like I said in the beginning, we're gonna need trim black paint or satin black will work out better than this. I just don't have it. In fact, this one is called satin, as you can see. Give it a try. You're gonna need this, which is a foam, packing foam, don't matter. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna spray on the foam a little bit like that. I'm gonna be very slow with it, so stick with me, you know. Now, bit, like that. Make it wet and start working your way. Start out the bad spots, which is this. This is what you're gonna do. Now take that and work your way like that. You see that? Basically, you're gonna tap it on there. That's your first spot. Tack it on there. Don't smear it. Just do this. First coat's done. Heat it up a little bit. So I got my charger with the screwdriver on here, so I can do the back, which still isn't the best, but you're gonna have to figure something out yourself. For the back, do the same procedure. Go ahead and start painting it, pretty much. So first step is to get the paint soaked into the leather, right? It's not looking too bad. Looking decent. Now, you kind of want to hit some of these areas again, and then we're going to do something right now, you'll see. Basically, going to spray the whole thing a couple times and leave it alone. Not a bad product. Of course, we need a little bit more over here on top. Other than that, it's looking good. Let it cure up for like 10-15 minutes. We'll give it another heavy coat, and maybe after that, give another one and leave it dry. Let it dry overnight. We're done with steering wheel. It looks good. You know, it's not gonna look like it is from the factory, but we took away major imperfections. Looking real good. The back, the front. Back's a little dull, but that's okay. Doesn't really matter. But the front and the side looking really good. Let's assemble it real quick and see how it turns out. You can see the texture. A little bit shinier than it is from the factory, but it'll do the job. Here's what we got. Final product. I like it a lot. I would say this one turned out pretty decent. Still drying a little bit. By tomorrow, it'll be 100% ready. This is it, not that hard, fairly easy. This paint job will probably last at least a year, maybe 2 years, depends how clean your nails are and how often you wash your hands. It could even last to 5 years. It all depends on you. But if you're a lady with big nails, it ain't gonna last long. But it looks good though. Freshen up your steering wheel, kind of like buffing your headlights. Makes a $15,000 car, you know? Easy, fast, presentable, looks nice. Same thing over here. Looks nice, brand new, easy, presentable. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. Check out more content. This channel is all about automotive content.